friends, welcome back to my new video, and in this video I am gonna teach you how you can export your video in KineMaster. This is a very simple and minor video, but some beginners may be confused in the beginning. Even I was also confused in the beginning how for exporting the video. So let's start. First of all, open the app KineMaster and then edit the video of your own choice. You can edit your video at your own risk. You can edit many things, and after editing just click here and then click on your file, and from here you can see the editing process. Here you can know all your editing, and you can also edit the video again and again from here, and click here after editing, and then from here you can watch the video of editing, how your video is edited. You can watch here. Leave this and click here, and you can see such type of layout, and here you can choose your frame rate, but 30 is enough, and here you can maintain your resolution and click on export. Small video takes the little time, whereas the big files or video takes a lot of time for exporting. It depends on your time exporting or editing. So friends, now your video is exported and you can watch the video in other media files such as file manager, gallery and many others. So friends, hope you like it. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you for watching.